MagSafe.
MagSafe.
MagSafe. Actually, the best thing Apple has introduced so far is MagSafe.
Actually, both in their laptops and also phones. So what we have today is the Spigen Power Arc Field Magnetic Wireless Charger. This is obviously old packaging because it says for iPhone 12 series, but 13 is also usable as well.
Yeah, and presumably 14 and onwards.
I hope so. And then magnetic charger, that is why we're saying this one is MagSafe compatible. Technically it is MagSafe, just in a different name. So at the back here we got air boost, not really sure what that means. Overheat protection, this is important. Intelligent safety, so it doesn't overcharge your phone. And then this thing can output a maximum of 7.5 watts. So let's open it
Let's open it up.
Spigen, you got this pull tab here. That's nice. Okay, so opening up, we got user manual. Not gonna touch this. And then the whole thing is wrapped in cardboard.
And a plastic protect.
Yeah, let me just take out everything. Oh, so that's everything. So this magnetic charging puck is very simple in terms of design. So we got the Spigen logo here, and then a Type-C cable on the other side. This is interesting since they give Type-C. So what other things do we have to unbox?
So to go along with the wireless charger, we also have the Spigen
Power Arc
ArcStation Pro. This is a, well, Type-C power adapter that can output up to 20 watts.
Yes, 20 watts as stated here. And it's also very tiny.
Yes, it's a very tiny, because when I open up the box, right, and I saw this little packaging, I'm like, wow, this is a charging brick box for 20 watt at that.
I just realized something. It says something you want. I definitely want this since it's so small.
Yes, very compact.
Also, let's open it up real quick. So opening up this box is fairly straightforward, simple, and also the same. What do we have in here? So we also got a card to say...
Should be a thank you note or what? Or
need help?
Support? Oh,
yeah, support. Thank you. Oh, it's a two-in-one, thank you and support at the same time. So leave that aside. The charger is even smaller than the box.
Wow. I mean, the one we have here comes with the two-prong US plug. Do you call it US plug?
Yes,
Japanese?
US plug. Japanese is the same.
Same.
The reason why this charger is so small is because it's using this foldable two-prong plug design. Yeah.
And you have one Type-C output.
One Type-C output. So that's why 20 watts, one Type-C output. It's literally smaller than the palm of my hands.
Yeah, let's just connect and try it out, the wireless charging puck.
Yeah, so we got this power adapter here, power plug. Then we can see there's also an indicator LED here to say that if it works or not. So let me just... Yay, blue light.
Once you turn on, there's a blue light, and just connect it. And basically, if we just put a phone onto it,
yeah, you hear that satisfying snap that is the MagSafe
MagSafe snap into place. I mean, you can see from the back, it's even very more satisfying.
So if you don't have a MagSafe phone, for example, if I got the S22 Ultra here, this still works as a wireless charger.
Because it's Qi compatible.
Of course, I don't get the satisfying snap or alignment, the automatic alignment. So yeah, it still works as a wireless charger, just...
Well, it just doesn't really auto-align itself. And now here's the thing about a lot of people has been arguing, saying that how wireless charging is slow and it's not as efficient as when you use a cable charging. Here's the thing, what really wireless charging offers is the convenience when it comes to charging. I mean, imagine you just put it at your office desk, and then when you come to the office, you just place it down and then it starts charging. I mean, yeah, because most of the time you probably came from home, right? And then you already have a full charge and when you arrive, you probably have around 90% or 80 something percent, and you just want to have a slower charging rate, just leave it aside. So make sure you have enough juice to last for a day.
And if you want to use wireless charger at home, actually there is a benefit. You don't have to strain the port of your phone.
Yeah, because most of the time you plug in, unplug, and then it gets loose.
And then cable fraying.
Cable fraying.
That is also another big problem. But don't worry, you still got a lot more cables from Spigen. So
in case you want faster charging rate,
you can of course use back the same charging brick, because you can just
unplug it,
yank it, and then you can plug in this cable. This is a Type-C to Lightning cable. So use it. Yay! There you go.
In other words, this is like for those who want to like have a convenient of charging at whichever place you want, and it can go really well with the ArcStation Pro charger. And this is a very good portable charging brick to go along.
I'm really liking this design.
I mean, you can just put it in your bag and don't have to worry about. I mean,
it will most probably be lost in my bag. So for all of the information of everything shown in this video here, I'll leave it on the screen and links to buy them in the description below.
So if you have any questions about the Power Arc series of the product, like the ArcFuel magnetic wireless charger or the ArcStation Pro power brick, you can leave it down in the comment section, and we will see you guys in the next video.
I just let you hear one more satisfying snap.